So I'm going to show you today the guitar notation that changed my life, really. You will be able to pick up very quickly any chords without using a diagram and without knowing a note of music. Isn't it great? Please subscribe to the channel and like this video. It really helps the algorithm. So now let me show you. Alright guys, so let me show you. So let's say you want to write down the D-7 because someone just showed you this chord. So first imagine that you have all the strings like this, okay? A little bit like the diagram here. So you will follow this and write just mute. Then you are on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fret. 3, 5, mute, mute. So let's check another example with the A. Okay, mute, open string, second strings, and open string, and you have the A. Enjoy!